physics, a chapter of science that is very important. Physics. In physics, we only learn about the things which is are in our surrounding, just like a car, truck, how it's move. मतलब जो भी हमारे surrounding में जिसका हम use करते हैं, we learn all things that in physics. Just how anything move, what is force, and what we do that. Okay. So now we are going to read motion and time. So motion and time. What do you understand by motion and time? The thing that we are doing, just anything that we do, and it does in a motion only. So everything in our surrounding that we do in our everyday life, we read that in physics. And today our main topic is motion and time. So let's start. Have you ever noticed a moving car? This position changes every second with repeat to its surrounding. At one moment you observe in the front of the stationary object, at the every next moment you can see the front of the another stationary object. So just suppose you are doing just if just this is a car, and if the car is moving and you are in the side of the road, just you are here in the road, and जब ये कार मूव करता है, then you don't know कि मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि ये अभी you are seeing the side of the car, and still you will see the side only. मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि अभी आप जब साइड देख रहे हो, so you will see the side only. Okay. So if you will go in the front, you will see the front thing. So it is not necessary that you will see the same thing every time. Okay. So just if you are inside, you can see the side part of the car, and if you are in the front, you can see the front part of the car. So everything you see is just, it depends on the force that the car is moving, the motion that in car is moving. Okay. Just if you are seeing the side or you are seeing the front, everything depends on the motion, any motion that car is doing. Okay. So now our first motion, the first type is rectilinear motion. Okay. Rectilinear motion. The motion rectilinear. So now our first motion is rectilinear motion. Means everything is depend on the motion. Just I have tell you the example of this car. So if you are in the side of the car, you will see the side part of the car. And if the car will move and go here, you will not see the car, or you will see the back part of the car. It's all depend on the motion. Any motion that you do, any motion that is happening and you are seeing, वो सारे motion पे depend करता है. Just if it is just अगर वो चल रहा है, so you will see the motion not in same motion. अगर वो same position में stable है, then you will see only the one part. But if अगर वो चलेगा, could you will able to see the front part? No, you will only see the back part or the side part of the car. So just our first motion is rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion means any motion that go in a straight path. Just if you are moving in a road, in zebra crossing, we can say, जब आप move करते हो, then you move in a straight line or everything. Just this is a tree, okay, and then अगर इसमें से कोई एप्पल गिर रहा है, it goes in a straight line, okay, straight path. वो ऐसे zigzag होके तो वो गिरेगा नहीं. It only move in a straight path. So anything that move in a straight line or straight path is known as rectilinear motion. Just I have given you this example. If we have this road or a railway track like this, so it will only move in rectilinear motion in a straight path, in straight line. So it is a very common thing कि अगर कोई भी चीज anything is moving in a straight line is called rectilinear motion. Now circular motion. What do you understand by circular motion? Just if you are riding a bike or a car, and if the path is like this, if you are moving all in these all path in a circle, if you are moving and it becomes a circle, it's called a circular path. Okay. Just if you are going here and then repeating this and then comes here, means in a circle, you know the shapes, size, मतलब हम सारे shape जानते हैं, तो उसमें जो circle होता है, the circle, when we know, तो ये जो हमारा circle है, if you move in a circular path, in a circle way of path, if anything that is circle, just this is just, for example, this is 4 roads, okay, and here is some statue or anything. So if you are moving here, so it is a circle. If you are knowing that I am moving and anything is moving and it is making a circle, we can say a orbit. अगर वो एक circle बनाता है, then we say a circular path. It's simply circle से हमें खुद पता चल रहा है that it is a circular path. So if anything make circle or anything is in circular path, anything is in circle or anything is anyone is doing anything circularly or moving, or if you are making something with compass. So you have noticed that with compass you make a circle and that circle comes in one point and then also end in one point. So if you are just feeling that we are moving here and then again coming here, so it is called a circular path. Okay, if any object, anything is making circle, it's called a circular path. Now rotational motion. When an object spins around a fixed axis, it is called rotational motion. For example, spinning of Earth on its axis. Now, rotational motion. What is rotational motion? If just suppose this is Earth, okay, and if it is in its axis and just moving in its axis just round, okay, वो बस अपने axis पे अगर वो move कर रहा है, तो उसको हम कहेंगे rotational. Okay. Anything that is moving in its own axis, we call it rotational path. Okay, if suppose this is a car, okay, and you are just making the car move like this, मतलब उसको एक जगह पर ही आप मूव करवा रहे हो, बट इन सर्कल पोजीशन, मीन्स वो एक जगह पे भी होना चाहिए एंड इट शुड बी मूव इन सर्कल. ओके, एक वो सर्कुलर पे होना चाहिए और वो एक प्लेस पे भी होना चाहिए. Then we call it a rotational. Okay, rotational motion. So we have learned 3 types of motion. Now, periodic motion. Any motion, just a normal example, that any motion that come in a period of time or do anything in a period of time is called periodic motion. Just for example, this is a swing. Okay, and if you are sitting in a swing and you are moving back and then going up. Okay, back and up. Okay, so when you are going this back side and then up side, both take the same time interval. Means अगर आप पीछे भी जाओगे तो उतना ही टाइम लगेगा, आगे भी जाओगे तो उतना ही टाइम लगेगा. Just suppose this is a swing and you are moving back and then upside. So this is called the periodic motion because you are doing everything in a period of time. ये तो नहीं है that आप back एकदम लेट जाओगे और आप एकदम जल्दी चले जाओगे, नहीं. If you are sitting in a swing and it have only one thread like this or only one rope, it will move back only in the same time interval and front only in the same time interval. So anything that repeat itself means it should be repeated. अगर वो खुद को repeat भी कर रहा है and it is moving in the same time interval, then it is called the periodic motion. Because period, we can say the period if you are in school and you are having some period, 6 period, 7 or 8. So it have a time interval just like first period should be of 30 minutes, second also 30. So it should be repeated, मतलब वो repeat भी होना चाहिए and उसका जो time interval है, it should be also same. Okay, so we have learned the four motions. The 4 motions are rectilinear, circular, periodic and rotational. So these are the 4 motions, and now we will talk about speed. Okay, speed. Okay, we are normally similar with speed. In the contents of moving object, a higher speed simplifies one of 2 possibilities: the greater distance covered in the fixed time interval, a fixed distance covered in a shorter time interval. So normally, what do you mean by this speed? Speed is anything, just speed. If you are moving a car only, we can see an example of car because it is very common in every place. So this is a car, and if the car is moving, it is taking how much speed? Speed means the thing, just like you have said in the text board that it have some just like odometer or some this type of things in the car. Okay, so if the car is moving, the speed that it is taking, just like if the car is moving fast, it will it increase the speed, and if the car is moving slowly, it will decrease in the speed. अगर आप कार को तेज चलाओगे so वो स्पीड उसका इंक्रीज, उसका स्पीड बढ़ जाएगा, और अगर आप कार को धीरे चलाओगे तो उसका स्पीड घट जाएगा. सो इट्स ऑल डिपेंड ऑन द स्पीड कि हम कैसे स्पीड में चला रहे हैं. इफ यू वांट टू, दिस इज आवर डेस्टिनेशन, फॉर एग्जांपल this is our destination where we want to go, okay, and if our car is moving, so if we want to go early in a fast way, अगर हमें जल्दी जाना है इस जगह पर, so we will increase the speed, okay, हम उसकी स्पीड को बढ़ाएंगे. and if we want to be slow or be just doing enjoying and just going, so हम उसकी जो स्पीड है उसको डिक्रीज करेंगे. so any vehicle that moves, anything which moves, it depend on the speed only. ठीक है, कोई भी चीज अगर हो रहा है, चल रहा है, तो वो उसकी स्पीड पे डिपेंड करता है दैट हाउ मच स्पीड इट इज टेकिंग, ओके, टू कवर अ डिस्टेंस. मतलब अगर मान लो कि ये हमारा 3 किलोमीटर है, हमारा इतना दूर का एरिया, सो हम जितने भी स्पीड में जा रहे हैं, इट डिपेंड दैट हाउ मच स्पीड वी आर टेकिंग टू कवर दिस मच डिस्टेंस, ओके. वी लर्न टू फाइंड द स्पीड ऑल्सो. सो to find the speed, if you want to find the speed, the main thing is you'll get in the question only ki what is the speed, sorry, you will find in the question only that what is the speed, what is the distance, and what is the time, okay. Everything you will find in the speed only, sorry, in the question only, if you are getting any question. So this is a formula. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, so this is a formula of speed. If you want to find the formula of speed, अगर आपको formula मिल रहा है speed का, मतलब उसका अगर आपको निकालना है, if you want to just find how much speed we are taking, so आपको वहाँ question मिलेगा that speed is just like speed is 5 and distance is 3 kilometer or 4 kilometer and time it is taking 1 hour, 2 hour or anything. So it's all depend on means it's okay. So we have learned about the formula. This is the main formula where we can find the speed of the any vehicle or anything. So now in this class we have learned about the motion, all the 4 type of motion, that is rectilinear, circular, periodic and rotational. And this is the formula of speed, and in next class we learn how to find the speed in based on the numbers also, okay.